Welcome everybody to another session of SCM, and in today's session I am going to brief you how we can launch or start a session in Linux as well as Windows environment. So I am Srijit here. Just now I am showing you how to start a session in Linux through terminal. So you can see that the user Nero at Dirac. So I'm just listing out what are the different directories in this user. So in this user, I have saved or installed that AMS software in documents directory. So I'm just changing the directory to documents, and then I'm listing out what are the different directories available in that document directory, and I'm then changing the directory to AMS 2025, where I have extracted that files. And now I'm just listing out what are the different uh, files available in this AMS 2025.101, and you can see adf-rc.sh, ams-rc.sh, license.txt file, etc. So before launching the software, I have to source this ams-rc.sh file. So actually, why before running the AMS command, AMS job command in the terminal, why we need to run the source command? So the major purpose is to define the environment variables. We have already set the environment variables in the bashrc file. So this AMS bashrc.sh script contains the commands that define the crucial environment variables. So these variables will tell the system where the AMS installation is located, where to find the executables like the AMS jobs, and other configuration settings necessary for AMS to function correctly. So without these variables being set in the backend, the system won't know how to find and execute AMS commands. So I'm just typing this AMS jobs command, and you can see that how the software has started. So this is actually how we can launch the software in Linux environment. And now I will show you how we can start the job in Windows environment. You can see this is actually the Windows environment, and just press on this AMS jobs, it will automatically open up this GUI. So these are the different ways how we can start a session in Linux as well as Windows environment. Thank you.